3, 2, 1.
Hello student, good evening to all of you once again. In our last period, in chapter number 12, we have discussed about to find area of various types of triangle. Let's revise first what we have studied so far. So, chapter number 12 in Heron's formula, we have studied about perimeter and how to find out area of triangle if right angle, isosceles and equilateral. So these all we have discussed in our last period. And then if we have not given height, or if we can't find height of the triangle, and for that we have discussed about Heron's formula. The formula given by Heron about the area of triangle is known as Heron's formula. The formula is area of triangle is equal to n root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where a, b, c are the sides of the triangle and s is semi-perimeter. That means that is half the perimeter of the triangle a plus b plus c by 2. And then we have solved these examples again using Heron's formula, and I have given you in homework that if triangle is equilateral with side 10 and isosceles triangle with unequal sides as 8 centimeter and each equal side as 5 centimeter. Okay, so up to here we have completed in our last period. Now next, example number first. So find the area of triangle, two sides of which are 8 and 11 and perimeter is 32 centimeter. So we have given a triangle with two sides 8 and 11 and sum of all three sides is 32. See here, 8, 11. AC is equal to 11, BC is equal to 8 centimeter and AB is not given, but we can easily find. So solution. Here we have perimeter of the triangle ABC is equal to 32 centimeter, A is equal to 8 centimeter and B is equal to 11 centimeter. So what is A? Small a, side A. So A is the opposite side of angle A and B is the opposite side of angle B. See here. So A is equal to 8 centimeter, B is equal to 11 centimeter. So third side C is equal to 32 minus 8 plus 11 centimeter, that means 13 centimeter. 32 minus 19 is equal to 13 centimeter. So we have given 2s is equal to 32 centimeter, therefore s is equal to 16 centimeter. Now find out s minus a is equal to 16 minus 8, s minus b is equal to 16 minus 11, s minus c is equal to 16 minus 13. Therefore s minus a is equal to 8 centimeter. S minus B is equal to 5 centimeter and S minus C is equal to 13 centimeter. Now this is the Heron formula. Therefore, area of the triangle is equal to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. S is equal to 16. S minus A is equal to 8. See here. S minus B is equal to 3 and S minus C is equal to 3. So 16 into 8 into 5 into 3. So we have final answer 8 root 30 centimeter square. See the example number 2. A triangular park ABC has sides 120 meter, 80 meter and 50 meter. Okay, figure is here 120 meter, 80 meter and 50 meter. A gardener Tanya has to put a fence all around it and also plant grass inside. So how much area does she need to plant? Find the cost of fencing it with barbed wire at the rate of rupees 20 per meter, leaving a space 3 meter wide for a gate on one side. See here. So for finding area first, area of the park, let us take A is equal to 120 meter, B is equal to 80 meter, C is equal to 50 meter. See here. Now we have S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. Therefore S is equal to 120 plus 80 plus 50 divided by 2. Therefore S is equal to total is 250 by 2. Therefore S is equal to 125 meter. So S minus A is equal to 125 minus 120. S minus B, B is 80, 125 minus 80, C is 50, 125 minus 50. So S minus A is equal to 5 meter. S minus B is equal to 45 meter. S minus C is equal to 75 meter. So find out the area using the Heron's formula is equal to in under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So in under root S is 125, S minus A is 5, S minus B is 45, C here 45 and S minus C is 75. So thus it's give us 375 root 15 meter square. Now perimeter. Perimeter is equal to sum of all three sides of the triangle AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 250 meter. Therefore length of wire need for fencing is 250 meter minus 3 meter is to be laid for gate. So is equal to 247 meter. And so the cost of fencing per meter 20. So 247 meter is 20 into 47, 247. So is equal to 4,940 rupees. So now see here example number 3. The sides of a triangular plot are in the ratio. Ratio is given 3, 5 and 7. 3 all 5 all 7 and its perimeter is 300 meter. Now find the area. So see here ratio is given for this triangle 3x, 5x and 7x. Solution. Suppose that the sides in meter are 3x, 5x and 7x. Then we know that perimeter is given 3x plus 5x plus 7x is equal to 300. So therefore 3x plus 5x plus 7x is equal to 15x is equal to 300, which gives us x is equal to 20. Now put x is equal to 20. So the sides of the triangle are 3 into 20 meter, that means 60 meter. 5 into 20 meter is equal to 100 meter. 7 into 20 meter is equal to 140 meter. Now see, S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. S is equal to 60 plus 100 plus 140 by 2. S is equal to 300 by 2. Therefore, S is equal to 300 by 2 is 150 meter. S minus A is equal to 150 minus 60 meter gives is equal to 90 meter. S minus B is equal to 150 minus 100 meter, so is 50 meter. S minus C is equal to 150 minus 140 meter, so 10 meter. So using Heron's formula, area of the given triangle is equal to in under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. S is 150, S minus A is 90, S minus B is 50, so 50, S minus C is 10, so 10. So 150 into 90 into 50 into 10, so it gives is equal to 1500 in root 3 meter square. So repeat all these example also at your home. Now see exercise number 12.1. A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. So that means each side is with measure A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is given 180 centimeter, what will be the area of the signal board? Solution. So length of one side of traffic signal board is equal to A centimeter. Hence the perimeter of the traffic signal board is equal to A plus A centimeter is equal to 3A centimeter. Now semi perimeter of the traffic signal board is equal to 3A by 2. Therefore S is equal to 3A by 2. Now use Heron's formula to find out area of the triangle is equal to in under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So S is 3A divided by 2 and all sides is A. So 3A divided by 2, second bracket 3A divided by 2 minus A, third bracket CA divided by 2 minus A, and also again 3A divided by 2 minus A. So it's give simplification root 3A square divided by 4 centimeters square. Now we have given perimeter is 180 centimeter. So 180 is equal to 3A, all sides are equal. So A is equal to 60 meter. So hence the area of traffic signal board is equal to root 3 A square by 4. We have calculated here root 3 A square by 4. So put 60 instead of A. So root 3 into bracket 60 square by 4 centimeter square is equal to simplify root 3 into 900 centimeter square. Thus, the area of the signal board is 900 into root 3 centimeter square. Second example, the triangular side wall of a flyover have been used for advertisement. The sides of the walls are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. The advertisement aids an earning of rupees 5000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its walls for 3 months, not for a year. Keep in your mind, how much rent did it pay? See here, the figure. You can see the triangular advertise board 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter on your left side. So length of sides of the triangle are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. So it is easy to find out perimeter of this triangle 122 plus 22 plus 120 meter. So therefore perimeter is denoted by twice S. Therefore 2S is equal to 164 meter. Therefore S is equal to 132 meter. So by Heron formula, area of the triangle is equal to in under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So area of the given triangle is under root S is equal to 132. So under root 132 into 132 minus 122 into 132 minus 22 into 132 minus 120. So is equal to 132 into 10 into 110 into 12. So is equal to 1320 meter square. Now rent of 1 meter square area per year is 5000. Therefore rent of 1 meter square area per month is 5000 divided by 12. So rent of 1320 meter square area for 3 months. So is equal to rupees 5000 divided by 12 into 3 into 13 1320. So it gives us 16 lakhs 50,000 rupees, 16 lakh 50,000. So company has to pay rent of rupees 16,000 and 16 lakhs and 50,000. Example number 3, there is a slide in a park. One of its slide walls has been painted in some color with a message, keep the park green and clean. If the sides of the wall are 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter, find the area painted in color. So sides are given 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter. See here, keep the park green and clean. 3 sides are of 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter. So from the figure it is clear that the area to be painted is a triangle having sides 11 meter, 16 meter and 15 meter. So perimeter, first find out perimeter of the triangle is equal to 11 plus 6 plus 15 meters is equal to 32 meter. Therefore S is semi-perimeter is 16 meter. So by Heron's formula, area of the triangle is equal to in under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus S is 16 given. So S is 16, 16 minus 11, 16 minus 6 and third one is 15. 16 minus 15. So is equal to 16 into 5 into 10 into 1. So it's give us 20 into root 2 meter square. So thus the area painted in color is 20 root 2 meter square. Now example number 4. Find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Two side is given, third one is not given, but perimeter is given. Perimeter is 42 centimeters. So let the third side of the triangle be C. So given the perimeter of the triangle is 42 centimeter. Therefore 18 centimeter plus 20 centimeter plus C is equal to 42 centimeter. So therefore C is equal to 42 minus 18 minus 10. So third side is 14 centimeter. So perimeter, semi-perimeter is equal to perimeter divided by 2. Perimeter is 42 given. So therefore S is equal to 42 divided by 2 centimeter. Therefore S is equal to 21 centimeter. Now again use Heron's formula to find out area of the given triangle is equal to in under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So S is 21, see here S is 21, A is 18, so 21 minus 18, B is 10, 21 minus 10, C is 14, so 21 minus 14. So 21 into 3 into 11 into 7. So therefore we have finally 21 in root 11 centimeter square is the area of the said triangle. This triangle. Okay. Example number 5. Sides of a triangle are in the ratio. So ratio is given 12, 17 and 25 and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. So given the ratio 12, 12, 17 and 25, therefore let the sides of triangle be 12x, 17x and 25x. So perimeter, that means 2s of this triangle is equal to 240 centimeter is given. Therefore 12x plus 17x plus 25x is equal to 540 centimeter, 540 centimeter. So 54x is equal to 540 centimeter. Therefore x is equal to 10 centimeter. Now put the value. X is 12 centimeter. So 12 into x gives 120. 17 into x gives 170. And 25 into x gives 250 centimeters. So S is equal to 120 plus 170 plus 250 divided by 2. S is equal to 270 centimeter. So we have S and all three sides A, B and C. A is 120, B is 170, C is 250 and S is 270. So we can easily use Heron's formula. See here, by Heron's formula, area of triangle is equal to in under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So 270 into 270 minus 120 into 270 minus 170 into 270 minus 250 centimeters square. So is equal to in under root 270 minus 150, 270 into 150 into 100 into 20 centimeters square. So it gives is equal to 9,000 centimeters square is area of the triangle. Now see example number 6. An isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter and each of the equal sides is 12 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. Okay, so third side, let third side of this triangle be C. So perimeter of triangle is given 30 centimeter. See here. And two sides is given 12 centimeter and 12 centimeter. See here, the equal sides is 12 centimeter. So 12 centimeter plus 12 centimeter plus C is equal to 30 meter. That means C is equal to 6 meter. Therefore, S is equal to S is given S is equal to 30 by 2 centimeter. So S is equal to S is semi perimeter is 15 centimeter. So we know sides A, B and C and S. So we can use Heron's formula to find out the area of given triangle. So is equal to in under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So is equal to in under root 15 into 15 minus 12 into 15 minus 12 into 15 minus 6. So is equal to under root 15 into 3 into 3 into 6. So is simplified. We get is equal to 9 under root 15 centimeter square is area of the said triangle. Okay, so with this student we are going to finish this chapter, and in our next period we will start our new chapter number 13. Okay, till then, goodbye to all of you.